Hello, this is Iman from Samim Group. What you're about to see is the whole alarm settings of SRM 0655. Stay tuned.
Okay, let's go to the Alarms tab. You can see the installed cards to the frame. Right now, it's only AVD 0318. By scrolling down, you can see the information about the powers installed to the frame. It alarms in urgent conditions such as power missing, the fan's failure, overvoltage, overcurrent, or overheating. Well, it shows the situation of the front panel fans, and as you can see, they're all active and working as well. In the alarm configuration, you can set warning and critical threshold to the powers and frame temperature. Okay, let's go to the Agent tab. Here is some information about system, data storage, software and hardware versions, serial numbers, and the ability to add plugin and the list of added plugins. In the end, the Log tab indicates the situation of alarms that we have configured to the cards and the frame. If there is a warning log, you can click and change the level to notice. That means we have been noticed this situation and we took care of it. There's also a red level that is critical. For instance, here it says front panel cooler is lost. And we can click more for more information about the alarms and the situation of frame.
So this is it. If you still want more information, please visit us at www.samimgroup.com. Thanks for watching.